Hello students, in first part of circle I have explained tan A and today I am going to start tan C because tan B is not the inner syllabus. Before starting sums of tan C, let me discuss the properties which are needed for the explanation of tan C sums. Here property number 1 is that perpendicular drawn from center to a chord bisects the chord. Here O is the center of the circle and AB is any chord. If I draw a perpendicular OC on AB, that means these angles are 90 degree, then AC will be equal to CB. So we can say if OC is perpendicular to AB, then AC equals to CB. Conversely, we can say if AC equals to CB, then OC will be perpendicular to AB. Second property is that equal chords are equidistant from the center. In this circle, O is the center and AB and EF are two equal chords. Then if I draw perpendiculars OC on AB and OD on EF, these two lengths also will be equal. So we can say if AB equals to EF, then perpendicular OC will be equal to perpendicular OD. Now third property is that angles in the same segment of the circle are equal. Here in this circle, this is one segment and here I have drawn two angles. Here angle 1 and angle 2 are drawn on the same segment, so angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. Now property number 4 is that angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Suppose AB is the diameter of a circle and C is any point on the circumference. Then ABC, this part is the semicircle. If I draw any angle in the semicircle, then this angle will be 90 degree. So we can say angle in a semicircle is always 90 degree. Here angle ACB will be 90 degree. The next property is the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Here O is the center of the circle and this is one arc. We can name this one A, B and suppose this is C. Now angle subtended by arc AB at center, suppose it is twice x, then the angle subtended by the arc in the remaining part of the circle will be half of it. So if angle ACB is x, then angle at the center will be double of it, that is twice x. The next property is based on cyclic quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is called cyclic if all of its four vertices lie on the circle. Here all the vertices lie on the circle, so this type of quadrilateral is called cyclic quadrilateral. Sum of opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral is always 180 degree. Since it is a cyclic quadrilateral, so sum of the angles 1 and 2 will be 180 degree. Similarly, sum of these two angles also will be 180 degree. The next property is if we draw any exterior angle in a cyclic quadrilateral, then that angle will be equal to interior opposite angle. So we can say in a cyclic quadrilateral, exterior angle equals to interior opposite angle. So here angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. The next property is if angle at the centers are equal, then corresponding arcs are equal. Here angle A equal to angle B, so arc AB will be equal to arc CD. With these properties now we can start sums of tan C. In tan C, question number 1 is if O is the center of the circle, find the value of x in each of the following figures. In this case, O is the center of the circle and we have to find the value of x. In this case, angle AOC is given 135 degree and we have to find the value of x. Since AOB is the diameter and it is a line, so angle AOC plus BOC, they will form linear pair. That means sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. So we can write angle AOC plus BOC equals to 180 degree. AOC is given 135. BOC is not known, equals to 180. So BOC will be 180 minus 135, which will give 45 degree. That means angle BOC, this angle is 45 degree. Now we know angle formed at the center is twice the angle at any point in the remaining part of the circle. So this angle we got 45 and this angle is x. So we can write twice angle BPC equal to BOC because angle at the center is always double. So if I double this angle BPC, then it will be equal to angle BOC. So here I have written twice angle BPC equal to BOC. Now BPC is x, that means twice of x will be this angle, so we can write twice of x equal to 45 degree. X equal to 45 by 2, that means x equal to 22.5 degree. So angle x is 22.5 degree. In second part of question number 1, it is given that this angle is x and this angle, that is AEC, is given as 40 degree. This is the center of the circle and we have to find x. Now we know angle in a semicircle is always 90 degree. So angle ACE will be 90 degree. This angle is 90 because here AOE is the diameter. Since this is the diameter, this is a semicircle. So angle ACE is 90. Now if you consider that angle ACE, angle EAC, this angle plus ACE, this one, and angle AEC, sum of these three angles will be 180 degree by angle sum property of a triangle. Now EAC is not known. ACE is 90 degree, this one is 90 and this angle is 40. Therefore angle EAC plus 90 plus 40 is 130 equals to 180. Angle EAC equals to 180 minus 130. So angle EAC equal to 50 degree. So we got angle EAC is 50 degree. Since this is 50, this also will be 50 because we know angles in the same segment are equal. They are in the same segment CE. So if this one is 50, this also must be 50. So we can write, now angles in the same segment are equal. Therefore x equal to angle EAC. Since we got EAC 50, that means x also will be equal to 50 degree. And that's the answer. Third part of question number 1, it is given that angle AOC, angle at the center is 120 degree. And we have to find this exterior angle x. We know angle at center is twice the angle at any point in the remaining part of the circumference. So here twice angle APC equal to angle AOC. Therefore twice angle APC equals to AOC is given in the question 120 degree. So instead of angle AOC we can write 120. So angle APC is 120 divided by 2, which will give 60 degree. Now we got this angle 60. We know in a cyclic quadrilateral exterior angle equal to interior opposite angle. Since we got this one 60, this angle also must be 60. So angle CBD equal to angle APC. Therefore x equals to 60 degree. In first part of question number 2, it is given that exterior angle CBD is 65 degree and we have to find the reflex angle AOC. Now we know angle ABC plus CBD, sum of these two angles will be 180 degree because of linear pair. So angle ABC plus 65 will be 180 degree. So ABC will be 180 minus 65, which is 115 degree. Therefore angle ABC is 115 degrees. Now we know angle at the center is double the angle at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Since this is 115 degree, so we can write twice of 115 will be x. So we can write twice angle ABC equal to reflex angle AOC. Twice angle ABC will be reflex angle AOC. Since we are considering the bigger part, we have to use the term reflex. So twice angle 115 equal to x. That means x equals to 230 degree. Therefore angle at the center, that is x, is 230 degrees. In the second part of question number 2, it is given that angle OAB is 35 degree and we have to find x. Now in this case, OA and OB both are radii of the same circle. Since these two sides are equal, their opposite angles also will be equal. So since this is 35, this also will be 35. Now in this triangle AOB, this is 35, this angle is also 35. We can calculate angle AOB. Once we know angle AOB, we can find the reflex AOB. And if we know reflex AOB, half of that angle will be x. So here we have written OA equals to OB, both are radii of the same circle. And we know when two sides are equal, their opposite angles are also equal. So angle OAB will be equals to angle OBA. Both will be equals to 35 degree. So here we got 35, here also 35. Now in triangle AOB, angle OAB plus angle OBA plus angle AOB, sum of these three will be 180 by angle sum property. These two are 35. We have to calculate AOB, and sum of these three will be 180. Therefore, angle AOB equals to 180 minus 70, which will give 110 degrees. Now, angle AOB plus reflex AOB, sum of these two will be 360. Already we got AOB equal to 110. So 110 plus reflex AOB is 360. That means reflex AOB will be 360 minus 110, which will give 250 degree. We know angle at the center is twice the angle in the remaining part of the circle. So twice of x will be reflex AOB. We got reflex AOB 250. So twice of x will be 250. That means x equal to 250 divided by 2, which will give 125 degree. Therefore, value of x is 125. In the third part of question number 2, it is given that angle AOB is 60 degree and we have to find x. We know angle at the center is double the angle in the remaining part of the circle. So, twice angle C or ACO will be equal to angle AOB. Here I have written twice of angle C will be angle AOB. So, twice of angle C will be 60. So, angle C will be 60 by 2. That means angle C equals to 30 degree. Now, OC equals to OA. Because both of them are radii of the same circle, and since these two sides are equal, their opposite angles also will be equal. Since this is 30, x also will be 30, so we can write since OC equal to OA, as both are radii of the same circle, therefore angle A equal to angle C, because angles opposite to equal sides. Here OA and OC are equal, that means angle X and this angle, we can write angle A and angle C, these two angles will be equal. Since we got angle C equals to 30 degree, that means x also will be 30 degree. So, angle A equals to angle C, therefore x equals to 30 degree. In the first part of question number 3, here it is given that angle BAC, this one is 50 degree, DBC 70, BCD is x, and we have to find angle x. Now, we know angles in the same segment are always equal, so angle A will be equal to angle D. Since angle A is 50 degree, that means angle D also 50 degree. We can write angle A equals to angle D. Therefore, angle D equals to 50. So, here we got 50 degree. Now, in triangle DBC, sum of three angles will be 180 degree. This is 50, this is 70, and we have to find x. So, we can write angle D plus angle DBC plus angle DCB, sum of three angles 180 degree. This is 50 degree plus 70 degree plus x equals to 180. 70 plus 50, 120 plus x is 180. So x equals to 180 minus 120, that is 60. Therefore, this angle x equals to 60 degree. In second part of question number 3, it is given that angle DBA is 40 degree and we have to find x. Here, DOA is the angle at the center and DBA is the angle at the circumference, and we know the property that angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So we can write angle DOA is twice DBA. We know DBA is 40, so DOA will be twice 40 degree, that means 80 degree. So we got angle DOA 80 degrees. Now DOA plus AOC, sum of these two will be 180 by linear pair. So we can write angle DOA plus x is 180 degree. This is 80. 80 plus x equals to 180. That means x equals to 180 minus 80. That will give 100. Therefore, value of x is 100 degree. In third part of question number 3, it is given that angle ADP is 32 degree, DAP 28 degree, ABP 50 degrees, and we have to find this full angle x. Now, we know angles in the same segment are equal. If this is 32 degree, this also will be 32 degree. If this is 50, this part also will be 50. So, sum of these two will give x. So we can write here like this, angle DCA, that means this part, equal to angle ABD, this part. So this angle and this angle equal. Since this is 50, this part will be 50. Again, angle ACB and angle ADB, these two parts will be equal. If this is 32, this also will be 32. So we got this angle as 50 degree, angle ACB as 32 degree. Now this full angle, which is X, is the combination of DCA plus ACB. This part is 50, this part is 32. So 50 plus 32 will give 82. Therefore, angle X is 82 degrees. In the first part of question number 4, it is given that angle CAB is 35 degree, DBC is 65 degree. We have to find X. Now we know angles in the same segment are always equal. So angle BAC equal to angle BDC. Since BAC is 35 degree, therefore angle BDC is also 35. So since this is 35, this will be 35. Now in triangle BCD, angle BDC plus DBC plus DCB, this angle, this angle, this angle, sum of these three will be 180 degree. This one already we know 35 degree. So 35 plus 65 plus X will be equals to 180. 35 plus 65 is 100 plus DCB, which is X, equal to 180. DCB equal to 180 minus 100. Therefore angle DCB equals to 80 degree. As given, DCB is X. Therefore X equals to 80 degree, which is the required answer. Since this is 35, this also will be 35, angles in the same segment. Now sum of these three angles will be 180 degree. This is 35, this is 65, this is X. So sum of these three 180. So we got X equals to 80 degree. In the second part of question number 4, it is given that angle B is 40 degree. Angle CPD, this is 110 degree. We have to find X. Now angle B and angle C, they are in the same segment. Since this is 40 degree, this also will be 40 degree. So angle C equals to 40. In bracket you can write angles in the same segment. Now in this triangle, angle C plus angle D plus angle CPD, sum of these three will be 180 degree by angle sum property. C already we got 40 degree. D is X and CPD is 110 equal to 180. So X equal to 180 and 40 plus 110, it will give 150 degrees. Therefore X equals to 180 minus 150, which will give 30. Therefore the required value of X is 30 degree. In the third part of question number 4, it is given that angle A is 52 degree and we have to find X, and here it is given O is the center of the circle. We know angles in the same segment are always equal. Since angle A is 52 degree, angle D also will be 52. In the bracket we should write angles in the same segment. So we got angle D 52. Now OD equal to OC, as they are radii of the same circle. Since this is 52 degree, X also will be 52 degree. Here you can write angles opposite to equal sides. In question number 5, it is given that O is the center of the circle and angle AOB is 70 degree. We have to find the angle OCA and OAC. Now here we know angle at the center is twice the angle in the remaining part of the circle. Since this is 70 degree, so this angle will be half of it, that is 35. Here you can write twice of angle C. Twice of angle C is angle AOB. So twice of angle C will be 70 degree. So angle C will be 70 by 2, that is 35. So we got angle C equal to 35. Again, OC and OA are radii of the same circle. Since these two sides are equal, their opposite angles also must be equal. Since we got this angle 35, therefore angle A also will be 35. So we can write in triangle OCA, OC equals to OA. That means angle A equal to angle C. Since we got angle C 35, therefore angle A also 35. So we can write angle OCA 35 degree, angle OAC also 35. I hope these sums are clear, and the remaining sums of tan C you can try it yourself. In my next video, I'm going to start sums of 10D. Till then, bye bye, take care, and wait for the next part.